Hello everyone, welcome to another video from TutorialsInHand, and in this video we are going to learn how we can make a bar loading animation in Figma. So without any delay, let's get started. So to make the bar animation, as the name suggests, we have to first make the bars. So first let's make the bars. We will select on the shapes and create a rectangle first. Now ideally I have some shapes predefined, so the width should be 15. The height should be 300 and the radius should be 15. Okay. Now I have to copy and paste it and create two more. I have created two more. Okay. Now the second bar has to be exactly half the height given here. So it's 300 here, so the second bar's height should be 150, and for the third bar also it should be 150. Okay. Now we have to select the two bars, drag it to the vertically center position. So once we are dragging to the vertical center position, so it will look something like this. So now we have to select all the three bars, right click and click on this frame selection. So once we have done this, we have created a frame. Now similarly we will create two more frames. Okay. So we have created two more frames. Looks good. Now in the second frame, the first bar should have a height of this 150 pixels, but the second bar should have the height of 300 pixels. Okay. In case of the third frame, the first bar should get reduced and the third bar should have the max height. So what we did, for the first frame, the first bar needs to have the maximum height. In the second frame, the second bar needs to have maximum height. In the third frame, the third bar needs to have the maximum height. Once we are ready with these three different states, we have to click all. We will be clicking on this create multiple components, and then we will do combine as variants. So once we have done a variance, combine as variants, we have created three different state instances. Now we have to connect them. So we will start the animation after a delay of 50 milliseconds. We will do smart animate linear 300 milliseconds. From the second to the third one, after delay 50 milliseconds, smart animate linear 300 milliseconds. From the third to the first one, after delay 50 milliseconds, smart animate linear 300 milliseconds. So most probably we are done with this infinite bar loading animation. So now we have to create a screen and check it. So we will create an iPhone 14 screen. So I will choose some color over here to make it look better. So linear animation, and bottom one I will end with this one. So this looks pretty good now. Now I will go to assets and drag my local component over here. Align this to the center of my page. So we are done. Let's check the loading animation now. So our emulation has started. Let's check out if it's working as per expectation. So as you can see, our bar loading animation is working exactly as we expected. So that's it for this video. I hope you like the content. In case you like it, feel free to hit the subscribe button and also drop a comment. If you have any queries, the comment section is absolutely open for you. You can post your queries, we will reply. And in case you are expecting to learn Figma from this playlist, you are exactly at the right place. Stay tuned with us. We are going to bring some better videos in the upcoming future. Thank you. Bye.